Hello students, welcome to my channel Incipient Doc. I am Borsha and currently pursuing MBBS from a government medical college of West Bengal. You all know that NEET 2020 is knocking at the door. So to help you a little bit extra, I am starting a series of most important questions from the chapters which carry more weightage to your NEET examination. Today, I am here with some important MCQs from the chapter Biological Classification. Last year, 4 questions were from this chapter and this year we can expect even more than that. So, let's step into the questions. The first question is, classification system of Aristotle was based on A. Anatomical characters, B. Evolutionary trends, C. Simple morphological characters, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C. Simple morphological characters. The next question is, Contagium vivum fluidum was proposed by A. D. J. Ivanovsky, B. M. W. Beijerink, C. Stanley, D. Robert Hooke. And the answer will be B. M. W. Beijerink. D. J. Ivanovsky recognized certain microbes as casual organisms of the mosaic disease of tobacco. W. M. Stanley showed that viruses could be crystallized. And Robert Hooke discovered cell. Our third question is, association between mycobiont and phycobiont are found in A. Mycorrhiza, B. root, C. lichens, D. BGA. And the answer is C. lichens. As you all know that lichens are the symbiotic association between algae and fungi. The algal part is called phycobiont and the fungal part is called mycobiont. The next question is, viroid causes A. cauliflower mosaic, B. potato spindle mosaic, C. tobacco mosaic, D. tulip yellow mosaic. And the correct answer is B. potato spindle mosaic. Viroids are basically free RNA. They have no protein coat and smaller than virus in size. Our next question is, severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS A. affects non-vegetarians faster than vegetarians, B. is an acute form of asthma, C. is caused by a variant of common cold virus, coronavirus, D. is caused by a variant of pneumococcus pneumoniae. And this question is so relevant for the situation. So the correct answer is C. is caused by a variant of common cold virus, that is coronavirus. The next question is, which is not the basis of five kingdom classification? A. cell structure, B. thallus organization, C. morphological characters, D. mode of nutrition. And the correct answer is C. morphological characters. Always read the questions carefully. It is common in NEET that you are asked what is not true among the choices. The next question is, who discovered viroid that causes potato spindle tuber disease? PSTD. A. M.W. Beijerinck, B. T.O. Diener, C. W.M. Stanley, D. D.J. Ivanovsky. And the answer will be B. T.O. Diener. These viroids are the causative agent of PSTD, that is potato spindle tuber disease. The next question is, red tides in warm coastal water develop due to the abundance of A. Noctiluca, B. Goniolax, C. Diatoms, D. Nostoc. And the answer is Goniolax, that is red dinoflagellate. Noctiluca is a colorless dinoflagellate and it is famous for bioluminescence. Diatoms are chrysophytes and Nostoc is a cyanobacteria or BGA. Next question is, aseptate and sinusitic mycelium is found in A. Ascomycetes, B. Phycomycetes, C. Basidiomycetes, D. Deuteromycetes. And the answer is Phycomycetes. All other categories of fungi have septate and branched mycelium. Select the incorrect statement. A. Most plant viruses are RNA viruses. B. Bacteriophages possess dsDNA. C. Virus having an arthropod as vector is called as arbovirus. D. Viruses are cellular organisms. The incorrect statement is viruses are cellular organisms. All other above statements are true because viruses are non-cellular organisms. Next question is, which can be used as biofertilizer? A. Archaebacteria, B. Eubacteria, C. Mycoplasma, D. Cyanobacteria. And the answer will be Cyanobacteria, which is also known as blue-green algae. The cyanobacteria, such as Nostoc, have specialized structure called heterocyst, which helps in nitrogen fixation and so can be used as biofertilizer. C.R. Jacob disease (CJD) in humans is caused by A. Viroids, B. Viruses, C. Prions, D. Fungi. The correct answer is prions. Prions are basically infective proteins. It causes mad cow disease and Kuru disease in human also. The next question is, the chief producer of ocean are A. Chrysophytes, B. Dinoflagellates, C. Euglenoids, D. Slime molds. The answer is A. Chrysophytes, which include diatoms and golden algae, that is desmids. Next question is, the common example of Basidiomycetes is A. Alternaria, B. Agaricus, C. Trichoderma, D. Aspergillus. And the answer is Agaricus, that is mushroom. Alternaria and Trichoderma are examples of Deuteromycetes and Aspergillus is an example of Ascomycetes. The last question is, Plasmodium is an example of A. Sporozoas, B. Flagellated protozoas, C. Ciliated protozoas, D. Slime molds. And the answer is A. Sporozoas. Plasmodium is the malarial parasite and it comes under sporozoa because sporozoas have infectious spore-like stage in their life cycle. And this is table 2.1 from NCERT. This table is also important. Please go through all the kingdoms and their characters mentioned in the table. Thank you for watching this video. Give your 100% effort to be prepared and you can do it. If you like the video, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.